Cornchaff is.
Very good. Okay. Mom, are you going to do a Bible study?
What are you guys doing?
We're doing a Bible thing, a color book. A Bible thing. Now we have to take a color and read about something of the Bible. I think we did this one.
Good job.
This is mine. Everybody knows about the Bible. Here it is. Can you see with your eye very what's the color? Green. You can't see right.
Isso, de Cornchaff is.
The morning light breaks through our home. I see your heart in all we own. From laughter of our little ones to quiet prayers when day is done. You give your all through joy and pain. You keep us warm through all the rain. Oh Nadine, you're the reason I believe that true love's gentle and never leaves. And I'm thankful, so